skincare clinic that provides proteins to your core hair. ATOMY Protein Intensive Hair Care. Damaged hair due to lack of protein. Uncombed hair, rough and dry hair. Extremely damaged hair with split ends. If you are one of them, this is the best choice for you. With ATOMY's unique CMC cords and patented ingredients, hair care with a wealth of protein, along with a 5-stage protein-intensive system, you will experience the same benefits as the hair salon. Ample treatment provides immediate care to your damaged hair. With 2 patented ingredients, mild cleansing and full of nutritions will be possible. The secret is highly contained 45% of protein. With creamy and ample bubbles, mild ingredients from coconuts. Furthermore, the healthiest pH maintained from sub-acid formula will prevent hair damages, and you will have a full head of elastic hair. ATOMY's Silk Protein Hair Essence. Don't forget to use it together. With ATOMY's Protein Intensive Hair Care, you will experience the same benefits as the hair salon and boast silky and soft hair.